Why does your scanner show the P2781 engine code? What does it mean? P2781 is a diagnostic trouble code for Downshift Switch Circuit High. The P2781 engine code indicate your vehicle's computer has detected an abnormally high voltage signal in the manual/sport downshift mechanism. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Spilled drinks, most common. Damaged or corroded wiring. Loose ground connection. Failed downshift switch. Faulty TCM or ECU. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Jeep, Dodge, Chrysler, Toyota, and Ford. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.